Do you think the sectors that we just mentioned, industrials, PSUs, real estate, do you really see sustainable long trends over here?
I do think so, because what happens will be that these have, as I said, not done well for a decade. Market is cyclical. It has a way of surprises. When things have not done well for a decade, when they start trending, the rally is not going to end in 6 months. These are going to be much more elongated. And from what I study in the markets, I think that we are going to see the revival of the CapEx cycle. And these are very early. People say, oh, they've already gone up,
exactly.
they've doubled. But you know, for that, if you have been in the market between 2003 to 2008, you would have understood that how these stocks can move once the cycle turns. So I typically, for me, I think that the trend is your friend till the end when it bends.
Nice one, should keep that in mind. And therefore, coming to the second part of the question, that's what people are grappling with, that, oh, but this PSU stock has already gone up so much, or, you know, a certain L&T or whatever stock has already done so much, specifically government-owned companies, which were, you know, always thought to be big duds. So is it time to sell? Is it now the question, when do you know that it's time to sell?
See, as I said, just as your thesis for buying are two, that you need trending earnings and you need trending prices. The reverse is true for selling also. That at the end of the day, you got to ask yourself that, are you seeing a degrowth in earnings? Ultimately, prices are driven by earnings. If prices go up without earnings, it ends badly.
Sure.
Remember that. So the first question you got to ask yourself is that, are they still showing earning growth? If they are, they may correct a little bit. That nobody knows. That is the market's ways. But they will not really crap out.
Okay.
First is earnings. And second is prices. Be humble enough to listen to the market. If you see the prices, if I use simple Dow theory 101, these markets, these stocks continue to make new highs. And from that point of view, nobody knows where the top is. Nobody. In fact, very often these markets surprise on the upside. Stocks that are in trend surprise on the upside.